Hello and welcome to Practical Accounts Shortcuts, where you acquire experience in interpretation and recording, while the posting and comprehensive reporting are automated. In this session, we are looking at the recording of cash coming from the bank account into the petty cash box. We have an extract of a bank statement, bottom right here, and highlighted is a transaction on the 1st of November where cash was withdrawn. Now, essentially, it means that money was taken from the bank account. And how do we record that? The form we're going to use for recording is found by clicking the Accounting tab, and then you click Journals, and then you click Single Journal. Now, this single journal here enables us to make entries onto only two accounts. The top account is debited while the lower account is credited with the negative amount. So the first thing to identify is which account received the £600. Now that money came from the bank account to the cash account. So the cash account received that money, and that cash account, according to my memory, is 212. So instead of scrolling down, we could save time by typing in 212, 212, and cash is brought up. Now when we click tab, we move to the next accounting box, and in here we need the bank account, and according to my memory, that is account 205. So we type 205 and bank one account, it comes up. Now the next task is typing in the amount, which is 600. Now when we click tab, the negative entry is auto-generated. Now we don't need to record anything in the VL column. Click tab, and then we record the narration. Simply cash withdrawn. Cash withdrawn. Number 7. There we are. Now we click tab to get the source document box. Now that should be bank statement page number 43. So we type a BS and 43. Next we click tab to get to the date box, and the date I see here was the 1st of November. So it's 01/11/15 tab. Takes us to the month, and we are still in the first month of our demo business. Type 01 and the quarter is auto-generated, and we are ready to paste the information. If we don't have another transaction to record using this small journal, then we click Insert and Exit. When the confirmation comes, the transaction is already pasted there. We click OK and the form is closed. Now we need to widen this date column here. Now this one is showing the date in form with the 4-digit, the year in the 4-digit, but it's still 1st of November 2015. The month is there, the quarter is there, the narration, document number, transaction number. Now this 600 is debited to the cash account, and this 600 is credited to the bank account which released the money. And before we leave this, we need to update our reports and confirm the double entry. So it's Ctrl-Alt F5, and we check on the general ledger. Periodic reports, general ledger. We find the 600 credited to bank 1 and the 600 debited to the cash account. We can have a quick glance at the trial balance. Double entry is satisfied, and that's about it. So now we can scroll back to where the transaction was pasted. And that's the end of this session. I'll see you on the next task.